Good day, everyone. I'm here today for the training.
Over 8 is good power. I can as well go to F1/4, more power. I can go to 1/2, I can go to 1/1, full power.
Then today we have to practicalize it because practicalizing it is more important. That shows that we are learning.
Greetings, guys. My name is shootlikeapro now. In today's training, being exposed to the light, the flashlight. So now I know what they call trigger. I know how to set the frequency. Like, it's mad. Like, getting to know the frequency, how you set your light to get your concept.
My name is Odo Kingsley once again, and I'm one of the trainees, like I told you earlier. It's actually different from lighting during photography. So, but the main thing is it means the same actually when it comes to the number of lightning. How only 3 lightnings? We have key lightning, we have field lightning, and we also have separation lightning, also known as hair lightning. So we tried it out here. Like you can see my colleagues, they are making use of the 1-point lightning. I've done mine and it was kind of cool. So I'm waiting to try the other 2, which is the 2-point lightning and 3-point lightning. And so far, we've learned a lot. I'm feeling like 1 pro already. Wait till I'm done. Thank you.
Actually, I have these intentions towards cinematography, especially. You know, coming here, learning this during this training, I learned that cinematography, videography, and photography, they're actually different. But if you have where you want to actually specialize on, there are actually specific ones you can actually specialize on.
Any place you enter to take your shot, you got to look the lightning of the place. If it's a club, you know, they do use red light, blue light. So that's the first thing you look at. And then you set your white balance according to the light they have in that background.
Actually, today, before we started, we went through some YouTube videos, captured, learned about some things there, you know.
We actually had to take shot of different persons. I took a shot of my own, and I actually did, for me, actually did extremely good. I tried. So I think with the lecture today, I really know what the trigger looks like and what the strobe light looks like.
Each time I want to take a shot, the shadows are always there, you know, so I had to adjust my strobe light, you know, since I was taking the shot from the left, I had to adjust my strobe light to the left too. So when I took a shot, I didn't see the shadows there anymore.
With this, if I learn this, I'm going to be a top notch out there. I won't tell you.
Headroom is important. As you do like this is headroom. This is an okay headroom.